everybody! So this week is just going to be like a studio vlog. Again, like I've said in previous videos, I am doing the Alice in Wonderland story collection. So all of my pieces are going to be based off of Alice in Wonderland. And I have a lot of pieces that I threw, and they're now finally, like with all of the snow we've had and the rain and how wet it's been, it's taken a really long time to dry, and so they're finally to the point where I can trim them and put handles on them and probably start decorating some of them. So I have my sketchbook in the studio with me today. I generally try to keep it inside so I don't get it covered in clay, but I wanted a reference because I'll be decorating some of the mugs today, and so I wanted to make sure I remembered exactly what, you know, quotes I wanted to use, what colors I was trying to use for each of the mugs and things like that. And if you are curious about what I'm doing and like the sketches and all the pieces that I'm planning on making for the Alice in Wonderland, feel free to check out my Patreon. I have all my sketches and stuff up there. I even posted some sketches about what I'm going to be doing for my next story collection too. I have a lot of that planned out already as well. It's just a little fun thing that I do for them. I don't really show my sketches to anyone else. You know, it's just kind of a way of saying thank you for supporting me and my art. And so yeah, if you're interested, they're on my Patreon, and you can get them at any tier level you can, and then you can see my sketches and what I'm planning on doing for both the Alice in Wonderland collection and then this next collection that I'm working on too. So anyways, I've got my sketches, I've got my mugs. I'm just going to be doing a lot of trimming, making handles, and then probably some sgraffito and carving and stuff for some of the pieces that are ready to have that done too. And I'm also going to be including some other like little snippet videos of when I did the maker's table at the From Here store, because I did work on finishing off those tiny pieces that I'd made in the last video. I actually finished trimming them and putting them together and making them into little charms. And then really quick, I did want to add, I'm probably going to limit the amount of how-to videos I'm doing on my channel, just because it is a little intense to do those all the time. And mostly what you'll be seeing on my channel in the future is just me doing like the studio vlogs. I plan on doing more challenges. I was going to do another time challenge to see if I could throw more bump cups than last time, because I'd hurt my wrist last time, and I wanted to see, now that it's feeling better and stuff a couple months later, if I could do it again. However, I did hurt my wrist again, and so but it's not quite as bad as it was last time. So so yeah, I'm going to try to be doing some more challenges, like throwing blindfolded and time challenges and things like that, so it'll be kind of more fun videos to watch. Yeah, I think I'm going to do, because of having to, you know, be a full-time artist and a mom and all of the things I have on my plate. I'm also writing a book, and anyways, there's a lot of things on my plate right now. So to make it a little easier on myself, because I still want to make YouTube videos, I just need to make them a little easier on myself.